everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a very interesting and delicious side dish, and we are going to make this with raw jackfruit. This is called Kathal ki Sabji and this is very flavorful, so let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I have taken one small sized raw jackfruit. Make sure it's nice and fresh. So I'm just taking a little bit of oil and just applying it on the knife, because while cutting the jackfruit it can become very sticky. It's a very nice raw jackfruit. You can see how fresh it is. You can see the cutting is the hard part here. So you can just dab a little oil on your palms so it won't be sticky. So just remove this core here. This is the sticky part. Just remove that. And now you can cut this into desired size pieces. To the pot of water, add the cut raw jackfruit pieces. To this I am adding a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and cook the pieces till they are about 90% done. I am just cooking this for roughly about 10 minutes. You don't want to overcook these pieces. After 10 minutes I am turning off the stove. The pieces are cooked well. You don't want to overcook them. Gently remove from the water and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to prepare a masala paste that goes into making this dish. To the mixer jar, add 1 large piece of ginger chopped. Next, add 5 large cloves of garlic chopped. I've soaked about 7 Kashmiri Red Chillis in water. I'm just going to add those. So it'll just soften up the red chilies. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, a small piece of cinnamon, a few cloves, and 2 cardamom pods. First, grind everything without adding any water. Just pour the water in which the red chilies have been soaked. Add the required amount of water to grind to a nice smooth paste. The masala paste is ready. Keep this aside. To a nice deep pan, I am adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Gently drop in the cooked jackfruit pieces into the pan and fry them for about 5 minutes. This will help retain its texture and shape. Keeping the flame on high, just fry all the pieces on all sides like this. Just toss it around. Just make sure you don't break them. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove and transfer the fried pieces to another bowl. To the same pan, add about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil, you can use any regular oil that you use at home. Once the oil is hot, add 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of cumin. Next, add about 3 large onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see the onions are sauteed beautifully. It's got that lovely golden brown to it. So now I'm going to add the ground masala paste. Keeping the flame on low, just give that a quick mix. Make sure to add all the masala that you have ground. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Next, add 2 large tomatoes finely chopped. The tomatoes till they become nice and mushy. Next, I am adding 1 cup of the cooked jackfruit water. So this is going to help the masala to soften up and come together very nicely. So we need to cook this till all that raw smell goes. Keeping the flame on medium-low, cook this masala for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see all that oil is separated. The masala is cooked so beautifully. Look at that. Gently drop in the jackfruit pieces and mix everything together well. Make sure that masala coats the pieces well. Now add 1 cup of water. Gently mix it all. After adding 1 cup of water, you can see that the masala and the pieces have absorbed all that water. Now I'm adding another small cup of water. Gently mix that in. Close the pan and let this simmer for 10 minutes on low flame. So after 10 minutes, you can see the pieces have just soaked up all the lovely flavors. It looks so juicy. Look at that beautiful masala. Finally, finish off by garnishing with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. I'm serving this sabji with some nice hot steaming basmati rice. You can enjoy it with rice or with roti. There you go, here is this absolutely delicious Kathal ki sabji made with this nice fresh raw jackfruit. The Kathal ki sabji has come out so beautifully. The pieces are so juicy and just coated with that lovely masala. Well, I'm going to enjoy it with some nice hot steaming rice. First, look at that beautiful fibrous piece. Wow, it's cooked to perfection. Look at that. Wow. The piece has absorbed all those beautiful flavors and it's just literally melting in my mouth. It's cooked so soft. It's so soft and nice. Wow. I mean, it's a must-try dish, guys. And to get such a wonderful dish with raw jackfruit is amazing. I really enjoyed the dish. Now that jackfruit is in season, I'm sure it's easily available in the markets. And if you do want to try other recipes with jackfruit, I've made a wonderful jackfruit biryani. Don't miss that. I'll give you the link in the description. So do follow all the steps to get this dish perfectly. Try it, let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.